klaseng mangingibig ka sa tunay na buhay?
Biglang ganun, Tito Boy. Paano ba?
Because it's
I-describe?
coming from the I don't count.
Paano ba? Ano kasi, sinasabi sa akin, Pisces ako eh. Medyo sensitive. So, ganun. More sa feels.
Alright. Oo.
In love din ako eh, parang ganun.
Maasikaso. Seloso.
Hindi rin. Paano ba? Romantic yung ideal ko eh, kung paano dapat yung mga bagay-bagay.
Pero, at this point in your life, Rico, ano ang alam mo tungkol sa love?
Feeling ko marami na, pero feeling ko marami pa ako matututunan.
Oo.
Especially in ito mga past few years, talagang past couple of years, medyo nagtatanong-tanong pa rin ako. Up to now.
Pero ganito na lang. What did you use to think about love?
Na hindi na.
Correct. Na hindi na.
Di ako nag-review dito, Tito Boy.
Magandang pangkanta yan.
I thought before that if you found someone who you really love and they really loved you too, that was enough.
What you found out, hindi pala.
No, there's other stuff like where you are in life, where the other person is in their life.
At nag-evolve yun.
And yung timings nyo, yung timetables,
Tama.
yung edad mo, yung edad ng
Tama.
ibang tao. Parang, medyo siguro naive ako dati or hindi ko alam ganun ba dapat. That's what I'm trying to find out. Baka napunta rin ako sa masyadong opposite end na hindi lang yun lahat. That I need to relax that observation also.
Umiyak ka na dahil sa pag-ibig?
Oh, all the time. All the time.
When you're in pain? Even in joy? I mean, are you the type of man who cries?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.